Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to V Tutorials. Today we'll be looking at how you can be eligible for Hamster Kombat tokens. How you can be eligible for Hamster Kombat airdrop. Firstly, you must understand that every activities on Hamster Kombat is important. The Hamster Kombat team are going to pay you based on those activities performed on their platform. This matter is no longer only on the profit per hours, but is also on the daily, on the cipher, on the combo, and on the key. Every activities on Hamster Kombat is becoming important by the day. So before I dive into this deeply, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, please do want to subscribe, like my videos, and also share my videos so that a lot of people can benefit from this content. So now that you know that every activities on a Hamster Kombat is very important, what you need to do is make sure every day you take your daily reward, you take your daily cipher, you take your daily combo, and try to unlock your key. But what if is the most important thing here? The most important activities you must participate is under airdrop. And what is that activities? That activities is for you to what? To link your Tone wallet. You can see other exchanges have been added recently or lately. Don't worry. Stay on your default wallet for now. The Tone wallet is the default wallet. So stay on your default wallet for now. There will be a need for you to change it in the nearest future or in the nearest time. But allow those exchanges to be fully added first before you make any decisions. So in my previous video, I mentioned all these OKX early birds. That is, if you are yet to have an account with them, you can quickly go to create and do your KYC, which I say KYC means know your customers. Do your KYC with them, let the account be properly opened, and use your wallet for connections. Before the listing date, I'm going to show you, make a video on how you can connect your wallet so successfully on this very exchange. The only reason you must leave a Tone wallet at a dime minute is because in Tone wallet, you will need a gas fee. And the gas fee might be huge due to the current price of Tone in the market. So that is it. And if you are looking to partner with Bybit, all you just need to do is to get your address from the Bybit and withdraw your coin from these very telegrams. And if you are yet to kind of create a Bybit account for yourself, I will drop you a link. I've been dropping a referral link of Bybit on my previous videos, and I will keep dropping it so that you can use it to sign up and make your proper KYC. If you do have any challenges, do not worry. Chat me up and I will attend to you ASAP. And because of your challenges, it's one of the major reasons I've been dropping my community links, my Telegram's links on my descriptive sessions. You can use it to join so that we can chat there. So, vital thing have been mentioned. Perform your activities daily. Take the daily reward, daily cipher, daily combo, and the mini key. Always unlock it. and keep your volume key safe as well, your volume coins safe as well, because you can see everything is mentioned here. So on this, you must work carefully in order to get your airdrop successfully, because you can't stand to lose your coins after working for months or after mining for months. You can see the passive income to be announced, the task you earn daily, the friends you invited, the achievements, the Telegram subscriptions you made, and the keys you have secured so far. They are highly vital. The passive income are your profit per hour, which is the PPH. This is your passive income, which is the most important, highly important activities on Hamster Kombat. So make sure you watch the video carefully, drop a like if you wouldn't mind, subscribe, and as well share so that a lot of people can gain value from this. So thank you so much. I'll be stopping here, and I will see you in my next video. If you do have any question, do not hesitate. Drop it at the comment sections and I will attend to you ASAP. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.